partner block. But we need to start with an opening prayer so that we ask God to lead us.
Echombeke eki kimazireho akahumbi kamwe na miliyoni 7 kandi umureberezi nagira ngu ishomero ritwire ndibonabona ahawe umwanya muke ogwo kushomesezamwo abeegi.
Eki echombekirwe ekirukweta Millennium Project kirimu classrooms, kirimu washrooms, kirimu library kandi kirimu na computer lab. Echombekwe eki nikiza kugasira abana beitu okwegeramu okwija kuruga kuba abo mutano abo kuba it is a big project twine classes inche hati twine double stream echo nikimanyisa ngu enamba y'abana nitwongeramu.
Omurimo gwo kwombeka echombeke eki gukatandika mu mwaka wa 2015 bagumana bombekaho kake kake mpora mpora obwe sente zirukurundanwa abaziire bonka hatine bwezi bwona. Echombeke eki kizakuba kirimu laboratory ya computer, library hamwe n'ebirasi by'okwegeramu. Okugirira hari mukuru w'emirimo omwishomero muri Kabale Preparatory School Felix Basigire nagira ngu babasize kukora omurimo ogu bebembiza okukorera hamwe n'ekigendererwa.
We had a lot of interaction with him, and from the word go I liked his approach to administration. Delegation. We had some stubborn staff members here. We had cliques when he had just come. He managed to unite the staff.
Omurambuzi mukuru w'amashomero ahabororembo wa Kabale Glory Asimwe yasima obuhereza hamwe n'abemezi b'ishomero ahabo kwombeka echombeko kyango ekirayamba abeegi okwegaji.
A very good learning environment for our learners, and personally as an inspector of schools in charge of standards, I think that building is very conducive. What I've not seen are the fire extinguishers, and I hope by the beginning of our term 2 they will be installed.
Asimwe yakarakayasimba abebembezi b'ishomero abo kushagika gavumenti omu by'obwegyese okurabira mu kubangura abeegi n'okubeegyesa emico emirungi.
Also the government may also say that as Kabale Municipal Council we may not have been able to support KPS with such a building. I think you know that. So we are grateful for the parents of KPS for the very big support that you have given to the government. 1.7 billion, I think it is a dream.
Right Reverend Gad Akanjuna Bishop w'obureberezi yasima mukuru w'ishomero wa Humura ahabwo kukoresa amaani n'okutishomera aha mutindo gw'ensi yoona. Yashabora muzombigere okukora munonga.
Oriyo na Humura Richard Tulienjuka akozera umurimo gwo kutangaza kumara emyaka 8 kuruga umwaka wa 2017 obuyija turebere nakora bingi akozire ari kwehayo akwatanisize n'aba teachers bagizire fellowship. There is unity and you can witness it kandi nebikwatirine n'abana kumanya ruhanga n'ikintu kikuru munonga habwa KPS.
Kandi turyijuka Richards yagira ngo kimbasise gukora kurungi no kwataniza no kwegesa bona hamwe n'embarira nungi esente z'ishomero.
It is we have been successful because of financial management. This beyond the finances.
Ishomero rikatandikwa mu mwaka wa 1938 riri kutandikwaho abajungu. Amakuru agagashakwa Jimmy Emmanuel abwa Tayari West.